Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be making a really cool background. It's going to be kind of a vintage background for a card using some products from Imagine. I'm going to be using the Delicata Golden Glitz, some Versamark, some embossing powder. This is their gold one, and also this is kind of a new product for me to use. It's the Walnut Ink Crystals, and since I've started playing with it, I actually really like this stuff. It's pretty cool. So let me get started. Oh, and I'll also be using this stamp set. This is Oma's postcard from Rania. So the first thing I'm going to do is, this is like my favorite technique, and it's a smushing technique, and using the Delicata in Golden Glitz, I'm just going to press it on to my mat, trying to get as much color as possible on there. And then taking the walnut ink and using a palette knife from Imagine, just sprinkling a little tiny bit of the walnut ink crystals. These crystals go a long ways, so you really don't need a lot of them. And then just taking some water, I'm going to make sure I get those crystals nice and wet. And this that I'm going to be using is some 80-pound watercolor paper, and just smoosh it right onto the top of that. I have to do it more than once. And then I'm going to dry this with a heat tool. There we go. Now that it is dry, I don't know if you can see any of that gold shimmer in there. But I'm also going to add some more with the Delicata. Again, I'm just going to kind of go over the edges and over the top some more, just to add some more gold to it. Now taking my stamp, I'm going to ink it up with some Versamark. And then just stamp right over the background piece that I made. And then I'm going to use the gold embossing powder on that. Because of all the other inking that I did on there, I'm not going to get a complete clear stamping image of the embossing. I'm going to get extra that's stuck on there, which is okay because that adds on to the rustic look that I am going for the vintage look. There we go, and you can see the background. And there we go. I mounted it onto a card base, added some embellishments, and I am done. Thank you so much for watching. Visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration. See you next time.